Introduce highlight features and summary overview of IMAYCC Car Vacuum Cleaner Cordless Portable 80 watts 5500 PA Strong Suction 3-in-1 Mini Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. IMAYCC Car Vacuum Cleaner Highlight Features or Overview Summary. The cordless, compact, portable design, easy to carry and use in cars, offices, and homes. The shell is made of high-quality ABS material, which will not fade and is durable. High-quality brushless 80 watts motor produces 5500 PA of strong power and 3-in-1 car handheld vacuum, which can clean quickly and deeply effortlessly remove dust, debris, cat litter, pet hair and other annoying residues. Built-in 2x 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, it takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge, and works time is up to 18 minutes. It uses a USB Type-C port to charge the vacuum cleaner quickly and have battery protection chip is used to avoid damage to the battery due to overuse or overcharge. The USB vacuum adopts dust container design and its filter meets high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) standard. The filter element can be removed and washed, and can filter out fine particles as small as 0.3 microns more efficiently. It is easy to empty, replace and clean. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.